Testing iMovie. You want to stare at this, but you can't. You're supposed to look at that. Hi. Because I'm going to be talking to you about the process of what I did to come up with the fortune cookie project. Okay, so first I started reading the brief, marking things up, determining what were requirements, what were goals, etc. Okay, next is research. Basically, I found 3 topics from the UX brief that I needed to become an expert on or at least learn about. One is definition of a luxury brand. The second one is who is the affluent millennial? And the third one being, what is the competitive landscape of luxury tour operators? And since this is just a concept project, I Googled, I read articles, I checked out the best of lists for the tour operators, for traveling, white papers, presentations, etc. And then I put all my files and findings into a Word document so that I'd have the sources cited and the findings that I could actually pull out that you're actually going to see in the presentation. Okay, now that I've done the research and I understand the findings, I'm an expert, now I'm focused on the user. What does a user need to do to actually go on vacation? Take photos, video, pack, what are the steps? And so I broke it down into the most basic findings that I could to create what's called an experience framework. And then I take the client channels that need to apply to that, and that's how I approach my customer journeys with this limited of data that we have. Okay, then I have to mule it over some more and take a walk with my dog to think about some really cool ideas, such as the travel board that just popped in my head. So I'm going to walk back and mule some more and sketch some more. This is part of the process. Okay, now that we have the goals and the requirements and we've conducted the research and we have the findings and we've created customer journeys, which has given us some features, we now need to translate all of that information into wireframes and process flows. And I've been sketching like crazy, utilizing the wall for a low fidelity prototype, and that's what gets translated into my omnigraphal wireframes that you guys will actually get to see in the presentation. Well, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching this and coming along on this journey with me on my process of how I created the presentation for the luxury tour UX concept. Thank you so much, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it and are going to enjoy the presentation as well.